Hey y'all, Jason Runkle here to tell you I got a new vacuum cleaner. This is called Quantum X Upright Water Filtration Vacuum Cleaner. That's why I got it for Christmas. It's the best Christmas gift ever. I got to demonstrate how I can use my new vacuum cleaner. I gotta grab the cord like that, and then like that. And then I'm gonna show you how to turn on the vacuum. First goes like this. And then the cleaner goes like that. Just a little bit. It works amazing. It picks up more dirt, dust, allergens than a traditional upright vacuum cleaner. It works amazing, y'all. It's the best vacuum cleaner ever. I hope you guys you will like my new vacuum cleaner. And I love my vacuum cleaner so much. And thanks for watching.